So wait. Today we're making a deck. First step, clearing it out. Yeah.
Guys, Decipher, yeah? And we're going to be gouging out these steps ready for our den, yeah? Safe.
It's Jay. So we've cleared out these step bits now, and this is like the step bit up. Then James just clearing out this bit. Clearing out this bit so like when it's raining it's like a good thing. Then we're just gonna have this bit. Then like, you know, just gonna have some wood and shit. It's gonna look paint. So shut up, yeah? Anyway, we've like cleared this bit out. We've like cleared this bit out, so it's like, let me show you. Oh, you bastard!
If you want something out there, you just need to fit there.
Yeah, so it's just like a little walkway to this bit, and then look at this little Monday mole. Yeah. What do you mean?
So guys, now we're just going to build over the roof from end to end, as you can see, and then after that we'll just show you the interior and we'll start working it from there.